284.
She 90 to this game.
So as in voice be like MOP. Yes, yes. 1 year of MOP. Judicial panel report. Hello everybody, how are you? What's good, my people? Oh my, you know easy, oh. You know easy. No, hey, make I even first start. This David Dobrat, I will first even start. First of all, happy birthday to OBO, man nigga. But me, I don't say 1 million to Davido. And because Davido promised me 1 billion. He never do any kind of payment. I never even see anything from the 1 billion since. Now, because many people they send out 1 million. No, they can't just say almost how many? 60 something million. I never see even I beg. I mean, anyway, happy birthday, my nigga. You know, at least give me 20 M out of that 1B. Me I first will remain 980 M. Me I run some things. Maggi. Hey, no one don't mind me, and I don't, you know, this Nigeria, it's very important to know the kind of way they give money. Now they look all this my friends how they give money since like this. All my birthday way they don't attend. Nobody don't give me even 50,000 before. Imagine in this Nigeria don't be giving rich people money. Finish. I beg. So today, every me na 50k. Na 50k I want to ask my friends. My next birthday, I don't want to put too much burden. I mean, I get plenty friends. You know, that's I get plenty friends. I don't say if I ask them 50k, if like 100 of them give me, I don't get 5 million. But I go ask like 1,000 of my friends. You know, so now 1,000. You know, to move me to 50 million. You know, understand? All these people will give David this 100 million, and if you don't reach 100 people, if you don't reach 100 people, I beg. Now, it's not the amount of friends you have, it's the quality. The quality of friends. The quality. So I don't worry, me, my friends, I know 50k, nobody will let me down. If they try me, I don't talk to anybody again. And I see this thing, I don't talk. I talk of my last live. Say, make everybody come donate money for me. David don't rush now. Go beat me to the punch. Me say, I no quick act. I will not open accounts. I no quick act. Nigerians generous. So anyway, but to be honest, not be me I will ask money for. When I want begging for money, now for MOP. I know for MOP to liberate Nigeria, we need like 20 billion. You know, so that one I go ask now, not be I don't feel ask for any money for my personal self. No worry. You know, the love people give me, to be honest, the love people give me is okay. You know, the Yabis God is okay. The love and Yabis together, I enjoy it. It's all love. You know that. But the MOP I'll come back with that money for. You know, so pretty soon we are going to bring the budget for liberation budget, the most important budget in Africa. You know that we'll bring liberation budget. You know, and I expect people to also, you know, respond with this kind of enthusiasm. And I know you will. So don't worry about Sheo. Me, I'll be alright. You don't say I'll be fella picky, you know. So bad as it be, every year they head it back. So I can't beg. You can't be that bad. But when we get to MOP work, you know, I'll tender the budget. You know, so far we're on 20 billion. Nah, lie, you know this 20 billion. I just a joke. I just joke. But now the two I will beg with money for me that. So speaking of MOP, To actually be very transparent, we just rent our office for Abuja. So 1 year, what have we done 1 year? 1 year, MOP don't open for 4 states. That's the most important thing we don't achieve. Now the official launch for 4 states, you know. And just last week, we secure our Abuja office. And why they talk about securing our Abuja office? I talk about securing our Abuja office because na constitutional requirement to forming political party for Nigeria. You know, so na big step. So the MOP will also announce the opening of this office and all the activities around them. We don't launch many successful programs we are happy about. We don't finish our constitution. We don't finish our website. But I don't know, it never go live. They still get some technical issues, to be honest. It's not officially complete. You know, so but very soon website. So we are making very good progress. Knowing fully well, we say we never also engage the people, you know, in mass communication. Really, you know, we usually do our soft campaigns, you know, trying to get people to understand, come on board, follow us on Instagram and all that. But when we start our hard campaign and stuff like that, you know, I'm sure say we feel rally the citizens of Nigeria to follow the cause and more begin liberate ourselves and make the country align with the agenda. You know, so that for me now waiting day next. You know, but waiting be the failures we don't get for MOP. Really now one big thing be the failure of MOP, and I continue to say now the difficulty in finding committed people, you know, we won't build the party for their states. Because the main constitutional requirement again be say we need about, how I go put am, we need about 24, I be 26, now 24 reps, you know, I be 26 reps out of the 36 states. You know, so far I think we have about 14. So we need more. They're not the failure in the ability to complete these state reps. So I will call on the people once again to please, as much as possible, swing the feet do to join the state rep-ish and see how we can push MOP forward and get the party officially registered, you know, before first quarter of next year is over, and do our convention. Yeah, the convention too must go on. The convention must go on before, because we need to also elect our officers. Me now be pro tem chairman. I need the election to happen so I can be official chairman. You understand? Yeah, so there we go. There we go. Yeah, secondly now, judicial panel report to judiciary. Judicial. Okay, you know, the thing way now, this is why it good make understand why we as Nigerian people need to organize ourselves. You know, why we need to come together and really take our, how I put them, take our situation seriously by ourselves and organize. So now we don't let the government investigate themselves, they don't find themselves guilty. You know, now they will still punish themselves. You know, so what punishment will they give themselves now? How far? How we do am? How we do am? How we do am? My Niger people. If how we take ensure their punishment, because they don't find themselves guilty now. But not only through our political organization will we put the kind of pressures we need to put on the government to create the atmosphere which will lead to the justice we deserve from that case. You know, you have to also look at these things in the larger, you know, picture of the scenario. Trust me, say this one they find themselves guilty. I don't talk about, go look my beginning of this the beginning of this whole NSAS. I tell someone who I say now they go take do scapegoats. After everything don't finish, now they go take do scapegoats. They'll take and clean the image of the party. Say, should be they deal with governor because of NSAS. Now go here now. Now go 6 scores. So that for me is important. Say we calculate on that aspect. Yeah. Today my life go short, really, because I dey go airport. I dey go South Africa today. I get show there for Durban. I get for Joburg. But not Joburg. I get club appearance. But I'll carry my SARS go because people like say Nigerian people don't know how well Asabi play SARS and Asabi sing. So I won't carry my own SARS because then they play the kind of music where I like for the club. I will begin play SARS inside the club to change up the place. But I feel so yeah, that's for boot something. Now I'll go do that one. Yeah, so I won't make my life go day very short. So I'll just go straight to the point. I don't go yap too much. I just want to tell us we need to organize ourselves because we don't expect those people where they guilty, find themselves guilty, so they will punish themselves. No. The investigation can never be complete. You understand? They will give us one scapegoat to prop the political economy of APC. Because APC they deliver the mortgage one, So make una beware of this so-called guilty verdict. So how can the person that is guilty now you find out so he's going to punish them? That's what I want to know. Because this is not a money matter, so they won't pay victims money. This is a fundamental crime that happened. A crime against humanity to a certain extent. Crime will be say they don't pursue people into exile out of Nigeria for trying to expose this crime. They pursue them, want to try to kill them, lock people for jail. Say na lie. They no do na lie. Lie Mohammed, na lie. Uncle lie. Lie. Make I tell you now. As I talk out now, the ancestors just give me the code. Lie Mohammed no lie. They tell us say na lie, I did it, na lie, na me. You don't understand? They say na we, na lie, na we, now because you know if you use all voice. So it's a lie, it's a me. You don't need to surgery these things. Some things are spiritual coding. So now we know it is me, it is all na lie. You need to tap into the ancestral frequency to see all these things. I don't yab again. I know yab too much. So the denial from the military, even the military, I always tell people say once they call person for case, say your nation call you, say come answer case, and the person begin they shout, not be saying that military government we did. Military now carry you go face tribunal. You go face tribunal. If they shall say injustice, save me because I hear that one. But for this our democracy, you see this our government, they be boys to all these Europeans. They need to look good in the face of even Buhari was enemy in Nigeria. Let me tell you who Buhari was enemy be. Now Zaki. You don't understand the fight between Sunni Muslims and Shia Muslims, between Saudi Arabia and Iran. They don't understand that division where they happen in the Muslim world, where Buhari carry come Nigeria, they murder the Shiites. They don't understand that he got to release the man based on international pressure. So you see, they don't just carry person throw for jail for Nigeria. Trust me. So once they call you for case and you don't shout, say, hey, they're coming for case, go face your case. You know what I'm saying? Face your case. They don't feel manufacture evidence now. For this day and age of social media, nobody can manufacture evidence. Where except CIA, American CIA, they will manufacture your face, manufacture your voice. When you see the video, you're gonna think, say, which day I go this place? Which day? I mean, me and my now I don't understand. So, but for this Nigerian government, don't get that technology, So go meet them, face them. See the army, they go the first day. When they won't go talk their own side of the story, they go there, go lie. They go lie, Mohammed, they go lie, Oh, ancestors. They go lie. As the lie finish, He can't reach turn now to show them evidence, say that they lie. I'm invested, then they come again. Say then they come again, then they come again. So now you go tell no that the person guilty. They won't beat army. Wait, they won't beat army people for that place. When they go make them say we know they come. Which kind that one is just the sign that we are guilty. We are guilty. Finish. Nobody can tell me anything. It's a guilty sign. Because waiting they did. If army come there, go, they find them guilty. Now, last, everybody there will just make noise. Yeah, we don't go beat. Nobody go beat them. Nobody will even stone them. Army just vex and they go again. So once you see any politician for Nigeria, when they will say, come on, hey, just to say, guy, are you guilty? So, but I don't worry, people will see what they will, the punishment they will give themselves, because so far, it is surprising. I don't know if Buhari, I say Buhari said they Durban, and I will play for Durban. If he see that when I reach there, well, I don't say they will come my show, but if he did the show where I do, if I will just. They say your government kill young people. Government of Buhari, you kill young people for Nigeria. How many days now you never give us, you never address nation. You never come back. I mean, once to say Buhari is a better person, to say this old APC government better, by now this party supposed don't issue apology to Nigerians. By now, Buhari supposed don't abandon anything they do for this world to fly to Nigeria to give us speech and even resign. I mean, he's the commander-in-chief of armed forces, and the armed forces shot innocent unarmed people. And they always tell people, say, Mona never think, say, see that uniform, not be saying that uniform is alien to Africa. Now that uniform they wear come conquer Africa, come begin share and give some African people. So any African person when they wear all those colonial imperialist uniform, be police, custom, navy, anyone, when did they wear that uniform come with spirit. Evil spirit. You know, come back Nigeria today. Maybe because yesterday they come South Africa, come pursue her with mouths. Maybe yesterday they come pursue her with mouths. By now they never issue speech. Okay, even though the time was saying don't come back. But come back because of this thing, I sure. Because nobody says the thing come out 2 days ago. Now he come back immediately. The attitude should have been, now I'm dropping everything and I'm going back to my country immediately. Not be private jet in the carry. Not be saying need to wait for flight. Salisu, start the engine. Garba, let's go. Yes, Oga. Yes, Mr. President, sir. No, but that's the attitude. Salisu, quick, start the 747 quickly on the runway. Don't put food. Everybody on the plane. Salisu, get Garba. Garba, get the protocols. All protocols. We must go back home and condemn this practice and this act of aggression. We must Garba quickly. Call a lie, Mohammed. I have been lying. I have been lying to me. You say I did not. I say everybody leg. We have to go to Lekki. I have, as the president of Nigeria, I have to go to Lekki to get into the toll gate and apologize and put some libations and put some flowers and then we build a monument and we close the toll gate for life. For life, we close the toll gate for life. But no, he come 2 days later. No news, no announcement, no anything. I beg. Fashola said, say, the camera where you see, don't lose. Imagine Fashola. Camera where you take that kind of investigative skill. Camera where you see me I tell you now. For Fashola to see that camera, you know they tell us that they connect with ancestors. You know they connect to ancestors. I tell you now. I'm not happy about that for some reason. Because that's when they see some kind things. You see, for Fashola to see that camera, not be only detective skill of intelligence and science. Fashola still use juju join. You know, say na hanky take carry the thing. Una dey feel say that hanky na they do say finger na lie. Na lie. Now, after all that to get that camera, now the camera is missing. Camera don't lost. Camera don't lost. Eh? So, more than no fall for the okey-dokes till this judicial panel of inquiry, as long as the culprit, now they try, as long as the culprit, I go die, yo. As long as we allow these people to be the ones that are going to the sole arbitrary or give them the power of sole arbitration, only they can decide. Nothing will happen now. Trust me, they will just give us some tokenism. So, as I always say, let's get together and organize. And now, the end scenario to end this live, because I know good thing, I tell you now. To end this live, real quick, the end scenario must teach us one thing. Say for Nigeria to finally progress, not be only say we the people will suffer. Not be say we the people wait there for streets, we the people who love Nigeria only. We don't want to make Nigeria better. No. You see, all these people when they spoil Nigeria today, we must also commit. Say, when we the people take power from them, they not go sabotage. The way we don't they support them for 60 years. When we allow them to do their rubbish, they do their mistake, we will not do it, we will give them time, give them chance. They try military, they try First Republic, Second Republic, Third Republic, Fourth Republic. They try everything. We will give them a chance. Nobody sabotage. They must also commit to the people's program. They must commit and they don't go sabotage us the way they sabotage them Nkrumah, sabotage them Sankara, sabotage them Amilcar Cabral, sabotage all the people who fight for African liberation. Use imperialist forces, remove them from power, can't enter power. Will not be their own. All over Africa, that's what they do be that. So they say must understand. And the first thing we will tell them, say, to agree to not say that they committed with us, they must return. Not be say we want to seize the money, not be say we want to take the money, but they must return all their money for money. They must return out to Nigeria. That now the commitment we will take. They sure say that they support to us to the way we support them. This is a very important thing we must remember. Because we say even though we take power from these people, they will begin to sabotage, begin to hide fuel, begin to hide food, begin to make things hard. They hide money, they carry out their investment, come up for Nigeria, so that the government of the day can fail. Not because the government is not capable, but because of their own sabotage, internal sabotage. So we as Nigerian people, organization is necessary because now through that power we can ask this secure these commitments from them. And the way we take no say you are not committed to us, be say you don't carry all your money no day for Nigeria. Once we find that say anybody money one kobo no day Nigeria like this, not be all of them they do na business, international businessmen who one they sell na oyibo products up I no be even that they do na business. Una no worry, una na local manufacturing will take come out to now. for business, because by the time we dey match una in quality, you know, and our own things come dey cheaper, nobody will patronize una again. You know, understand? So by that time, I said we guys switch into national agenda. But those ones where they control national wealth, where they control commonwealth, where they control oil, land, housing, transport, all the things will be our own, where they say they privatize, light, water, we go content. Not be say we want to take out, but bring all the money back. Because that money is not supposed to be in another person's country, making you and your family money. The job of money will come aside from Commonwealth of Nigerian people are to boost Nigeria economy. You understand? To boost Nigeria production, to boost Nigeria labor output, to boost Nigeria economic, education, health output. Now what the money they be that for? So now that whoa. So now so we'll get commitment from now. This will not be fight battle. Say make it can be any kind billionaire when I won't be. At least for now. But the money must be here to show that we are together. Because that money we go hold to ransom. If we catch you sabotaging, snitching, being a traitor, you know, so subverting, conspiring against the people, will seize your money. I know say any Nigerian man will seize your money for like will seize your money for like 3 months. You must cry tears. I don't do so again. I don't do so again. I never drink champagne for like 2 months now. Man, I won't die. So you stop crying. Stop crying. First, give her 20% back. We'll see how it's going to behave. First, take this 20%. First, we'll see. You know, behave well. We'll seize on that. We will come seize on that 20 again for this end. Take build some hospital, build school, build some road for your community side. We'll say that you donator. You know understand? No, because this will not be planned. This on a public strategy and agenda where people must understand, say it must happen. It's not going to be hidden. You know? So, when I no worry. Yeah, I know what I like capitalists. We say, that the same capitalists where people are hiding their money, and then we go pay to help us find out. And then they will say, they no go collect. They must collect. And you must repatriate it. This is what we say Nigerian government won't seize the money, we don't get power. Now the owner of the money must repatriate in money. They must repatriate them, JJ. Say, oh, I want to transfer my money to my Zenith Bank account in Nigeria. The sum of $42 billion. Yes, thank you. Some people get that kind of money. Look at them. If I don't the kind of money where they don't think for this country. If I don't know the kind of money where they don't think for this country, where some people get, I always tell you now. Say they see $42 million cash inside house. That was even small. When they go cash that NNPC man, now remember, now 9 million they see for you. The man at GMD. You don't know how low GMD did for the ladder of corruption for Nigeria. GMD of NNPC. You don't get out. You don't even get out. Now employee, they give an appointment. As in, they don't even give a political appointment. They employ and give a job for parastatal. Boy, last boy, he get $9 million cash for house. 9 million. You know that cash, not be anybody who don't stash, hide everywhere, put other for house. Cash money. So imagine how much Tinubu get for house. Cash money. Just imagine. $9 billion. Nobody can tell me anything. $9 billion. Now $9 billion they there. Nobody fit tell me if that guy get $9 million cash. Now that they take the amount of talk, cannot be say I say EFCC raid and they say they seize $9 million cash. I swear, I don't lie. If I get that kind of money, cash for house. Oh. Nine. So just imagine Tinubu na 9 billion. Buhari 90 billion. Osibanjo 55 billion. No, Osibanjo no fit get. He never reach Tinubu. If Osibanjo get 55 billion, based on say Tinubu na still your guy small, he guys give Tinubu like 15 on top from that one. So you call it to 40. Tinubu will go 60. B. Cash. Mona imagine Malami. Mona imagine Rotimi Amechi. Ah. Make I don't even talk. Just think of Akpabio. Off the mic. You don't forget off your mic. Oh, off your mic. You know, Akpabio. Hey. Akpabio. Hey, just imagine the kind of bar.
Hello.
Baby, welcome. Imagine the kind of bar. Just imagine. I'm getting by that 9 million in 1 house of GMD. So just imagine even now the MD of NNPC. MD of NNPC, Desani, Minister of Petroleum, everybody who say, Ja, Atiku, no, don't go there. Don't go there. Jonathan, also don't talk president and vice. Obasanjo, Obasanjo. He never even spend 180 for 70s finish. He never spend that one finish. But anyway, guys. So we must be ready to prevent sabotage of any kind, from this group of people. That's now our first line we must draw. And the first line we must draw that is the line of them showing financial commitment, financial loyalty to Nigeria. Why do they call name like IBB? No, they fear. Now they call Abdul Salam. No, this kind of name. The guy, that's the rats they chop that dollar. I don't say the rats waiting for IBB house could not chop nothing less than $15 million. Minimum. One rat per rat. So you could get like that kind of house, then go get plenty rats. So only few lucky rats could not make their way enter that kind of place. So only like 7 or 8 rats. Some of the luckiest rats in the world. They go just dead there. Might not the good food they chop, just they are snacking. Dollar, what they chop, normal dollar. So at least 15 million. Each rat. They don't chop 15 million for that place. They rubber the rubber the they call IBB long. As even the rats when the IBB house don't see like $15 million. Don't chop my flanging life. Don't Snapchatting niggas. So he go get one guy when they stay for my house. One rat when change they pursue up and down. We don't get peace of mind. Now we don't there for the chop like $200 bill. Just call that. Yo, Jerry, I'm your cousin. But even for Jam Office, under this snake, swallow 70 million for Jam Office. Under the Jam Office, snake swallow 70 million. Now when they talk say IBB house. Now they talk say IBB house. Now they fear. What that guy they will say IBB? I won't pay you for my life because they fear. You get my pass me. IBB, I must find your name. Wait the guy. He don't delete his statement. I don't see him. This Audu is a confirmed Boko Haram. You want to explode my life, Abi? IBB. The guy initials alone is telling you, I be billionaire. IBB. IBB. Let them fear. No. See, when I be like, 10 years old for 1993. IBB thief $12 million in 2 days. 12 billion in 2 days. Go read about Gulf oil windfall scandal. Go and read about it. I be like 9 years that time. In 2 days, the money come, bing, 12 billion. 1 day, 9 billion first loss. CBN announced say they don't see $9 billion inside the money again. The old Nigerians can't. Hey, the next day they say their account don't empty. Let's say 2 days. IBB. You know the Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida, which kind Badamasi is GB. I don't want to hear anything. I know many Badamasi. All Northern Badamasi on a GB. Why you because you na B Badam na lie. You need to let us know IBB. IBB. yeah, come on. You fit thief 12 billion in 2 days. You fit thief 12 billion in 2 days. I beg. But I don't try me. When I say, do Yahoo, when I thief small $500,000, thief small $2 million, we don't go hear what they gave for Lagos. That is it now. IBB. Do it right. Oh my God. I don't tell you now. Say me, I did give IBB respect. All this one I thought say I be Barawu, I be Banza. All this one they do so. I don't dare there. Whether or not I do acronym pass, whether I never think of I be bastard, I be bushman. Now they got talk now for my life. Say I be Barawu. Next day, I be bad guy. I be baddest. I be baddest. IBB. I be baddest. When I say the video, as they like the video reach for Nigeria, then they say go do show for Niger State before. For me now. Since I should say since the video he call himself baddest, now IBB don't ban her for me now. Say, I don't know about this. I don't know about this for Nigeria. I be baddest. Only baddest for I don't want to hear about this. See, now I'm ending this live. Because at the same way I don't call IBB, some people they call Abacha. Why not they call Abacha? First of all, Abacha don't die. And since he died, they don't return more than $50 billion to Nigeria. His son, you don't understand, his son, Obasanjo locked it, Obasanjo do his own gang, Obasanjo gangster. You don't understand? One of the first heists we Obasanjo commit as he enter presidency. Baba just look around and say, Abacha don't die, okay? So I don't gonna say inside that money. Obasanjo hold Mohammed Abacha live. He threw him for jail. Me able to say they threw him for jail for crime without one commission they won't do. No. Obasanjo they follow the guy, they negotiate for jail, say, oh, how much you hold? Inside the money, how much you go return? He dey crazy. Mohammed, the guy got returned $1.5 billion. When I go check the news, no, before they release him, $1.5 billion. Now the boy pay for bailing himself. Okay. He said, Jembe. After they go say Nigeria no get money, they'll say we they borrow 2 billion. Wait, see, I don't say I don't make this live long, but Nigeria have to agree me because our one are too much. They go say we need $2 billion to build railroad. 2 billion. they'll go borrow from China. But Mohamed Abacha can return 1.5 billion. Can't we hold some hold his sister too? In that one, I did tell you that if not so it be, hold 2 of IBB children, hold 1 Jonathan child, hold like that Obasanjo, you know, go mind. Obasanjo too many children, you don't care about them. I know if you believe. You be in fucking son wife one time, I remember now. Obasanjo the fucking son picking, son wife. So I don't just say if you hold that one picking, they can drop anything. I say, hey, take him to jail. He didn't know how to thief well. He didn't do it well. Take him to jail. You know, so yeah. If you hold their children, if Mohamed Abacha can return 1.5. Desiani, imagine how much Desiani can. I mean, come on. Whoa. This game, we shall go end down. As I say, today MOP is won, and our major duty as Motherland people right now, I believe really say we must be above anything and beyond anything, change the relationship between we the Nigerian people, our resources, and the Nigerian and business and the business elites, political and business, so-called business elite and political elite of Nigeria. We must change that relationship. That is the destiny and duty of this our generation. So the relationship between Nigerians, our commonwealth, national resources, and the business and political elite of this country. We must change it. We must change it. You know, thank you very much for joining this live. I'll see you all when I get back from South Africa. You understand? For another bird's eye view. Thank you. And don't forget to get ready to donate to MOP. We are one today, but it's not today we're asking for money. You know, but pretty soon. Well, we're asking already, but pretty soon we'll announce loud so everybody can hear. Bye, everybody.